Hey everybody, Dave here from Photographer. Today we're going to take a look at how to use professional filters with your mobile video and mobile photography needs. So let's take a look at it. So we are the distributors for Kase lens filters. They're a very big brand for the big filters for DSLRs and big cameras, and they really just jumped into the mobile space and started to make some amazing filters for mobile. Now, why would you want to use filters? Well, if you're out shooting and it's particularly hazy outside, a nice circular polarizer filter might do you wonders. It'll cut down the glare. If there's water on the ground, you can cut down the glare. So that's one situation. If it's super bright outside, you might want to look at a neutral density filter that will bring out bring down the brightness, but still keep in the colors and all that stuff. So lots of reasons for filters. We can do a whole video just about filters, what they all do. But today I just want to show you how to mount them to your phone or iPad. And let's take a look. So first of all, we're going to go left to right. Let me dive into if you have Kase lenses and you're using a Kase lens case. This is my brand new one for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's got 3 areas to mount lenses. And for example, I might have on my wide angle lens or a telephoto lens, etc. So I'm ready to go out shooting, but it's particularly glary outside today. So I'm going to use a circular polarizer filter on it. Now, we sell the Kase 52mm filter holder. So what this is going to do, it's going to mount on top of your lens just like that. Just pops right on. It doesn't fall off. And now you have the options to add filters with your lenses. And here's my CPL filter. You can see it's a little darker. And I'm just going to screw it on. One thing to keep in mind is to always have these clean your lenses, etc. That should be a no-brainer. So now I've got this great filter on here, and I can just go and start adding other filters if I wanted to. Swap them out, very simple to do, or just have this ready to go, pop it off, and then pop it back on. So that's one way that we're going to do it. Now, Kase also makes magnetic filters, and these are 2 of the options that you have here. So how would you use those? If you're not using lenses, you're going to look at the magnetic filters. The regular ones work with the lenses. The magnetic ones here do not work with lenses. So first of all, you have your phone, and let's just say you want to add a filter, you're going outside, you pop it on like that, and you're ready to go. It's a clip-on. You can pull off the filter. You can go in here and add other filters. So I just brought a bunch of them out here just to kind of show you. So now we've got a bunch of filters. I can pop one on, maybe it's my neutral density. I want to partner that up with a CPL. I mean, I can add and stack filters at random. I can go in here, pick up my blue light filter, which makes those beautiful blue glares when you're filming. I can put that there. I can change the angles on them. I can do all kinds of fun stuff. So now if you have the Kase lens case once again, and you're just taking your lens off, you can put on this ring here. It's a 41mm filter ring. And you're just going to screw that on. And now you can start adding your filters. They clamp on like that. Very simple. Very easy to do. Once again, of course, they do stack. If you want to stack them and be creative, you can do stuff like that. Super easy to use. Lastly, Kase came out with a new square filter, square magnetic filter. They are gorgeous. They are all amazingly well made. And what you do with that is it comes with a filter and a magnetic holder. So what I do is I flip it over. I put on the magnetic holder where I want it to be, mounting it on the filter like that. Then you peel this off and mount it on top of your phone. And you can certainly use it with these as well. They work fine. You just need to have peel this off. I don't want to waste this right now, but I would just peel this off. It's a sticker. And then once I have it mounted on. And when I'm ready, this will actually stay there like that. so that I can just come and put this on in the future. The filters are super, super strong. They will not break. And that's why we love Kase filters. So I hope you got a nice demo and understand now how to mount filters onto your iPhone or iPad or other device, as long as you have a camera up in the corner here. Actually, you could also put in the middle here if you're using a Samsung device. As long as you have room there, you can mount the filters as well. So this is the Kase brand of filters, and that's how you mount them. Pick one up at iographer.com today.